she just bit my eyelash. Try the light on over there. Okay, she's biting.
Better?
She's trying to figure out how to get my eyeball out of my socket. Oh my god! She must be tasting my mascara.
That's what she does to mine when I go to make. She's fascinated with eyelashes. She said something. No, something didn't taste right on that one. She said, "Hang on, let it play. Hang on." No, Alex. Let it play. Okay.
You want me to get her off?
No, she's cool. Oh my goodness. This is a $10,000 video.
I'm
right
telling
here.
you.
Oh my goodness.
No, this is Lulu. She's obsessed with eyelashes.
This is Lulu.
Hi, Lulu. Aren't you so pretty? Lulu's beautiful.
I think she took. That's a good. It takes mascara off really good.
She's just sitting there. She's giving kisses. Who needs a parrot when you got Lulu?
That's good stuff.
Aw, she's giving you kisses.